We are celebrating Seafood Festival starting from today, that is 24th of November, and we'll be celebrating the Seafood Festival until 4th of December. We'll be providing a consumer wide range of seafood to our consumers, starting from soups till to the main course. We're having a Wish Grill. At Wish Grill, the consumers can come and have their choice of food based on their flavors. Then we have in live counter, we have a couple of seafood. Then we have in the main course 2 varieties of curries and seafood fried rice. Then there is some noodles across in seafood. So these are the wide range of seafood what we are going to provide to our consumers, starting from fish to prawns, eel, shark, octopus to the crabs. These are the wide range of seafoods what we are providing to our consumers over the period of next 11 days. Prices will be same. We are not changing. We are not adding any prices to our consumers. And in across, it is the same price what we are giving it to our consumers.